Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is One Cheap Compadre and you're watching Cheap Compadre TV. Now on my channel, I talk about investing, saving, also talk about politics, and I'll also talk about story time, where I talk about things that I learned throughout the years that are related to what's going on today. Now, what I'm going to be talking about today, and I have no tea, no coffee, just water, all natural. I bought a filter for $20, 3 packs for the refrigerator. Each filter lasts me 6 months, so fresh water's good. Filter. All right, so today I wanted to talk about the stock market because now I'm starting to see a lot of people who are new to trading coming into the market. Now, before I get into that, let me give you a little story that relates to the topic I'm talking about today. Now, a friend of mine, a couple of days ago, was talking to me about day trading. And he was telling me that Warren Buffett was senile and that he doesn't know what he's doing, and that what I should invest now into right now is Hertz, into the airline companies, and any company that is penny stocks to invest in right now. So I was like, So he wants me to invest, and and also he says that he has a lot of friends who work at the stock exchange, and he invested 15, 20 years ago, but he got burned, and now he learned, and what he does now is the short sales. I think the limits, where you can have a certain amount at the top and a certain amount at the bottom. I use that too, but I usually use that to buy stock at a much cheaper price. That's what I normally do when I use limits. But so he was talking to me, he was trying to convince me. And first thing you never do is talk about someone like Warren Buffett in the negative light, because this is an individual who's been investing since he was 10 years old. So pretty much he's a prodigy. And basically he's like almost 90 years old. And people say he's senile. And the last meeting that I watched online on YouTube, this man was able to talk about slavery all the way up to modern time. That doesn't sound like somebody who's senile. And I'm a person who is not a novice when it comes to history. I'm very inclined when it comes to U.S. history and world history. So when I watched his conference, and it's funny, most people focus on him selling his airline stocks, but I was more focused on the story he was telling, because basically what he was saying is, even though America has suffered hard times, they're able to learn from their mistakes and improve, and eventually bring the economy back up roaring again. And basically, I think a lot of people who study Warren Buffett missed all that and just focused on him selling his airline stocks, which is sad, because I think they missed the point of what he was actually trying to tell them. So back to the topic. So my friend's telling me about selling stocks, day trading, and how people quit their jobs and start doing day trading. Mind you that I'm a person who is a dividend investor, who believes in compound interest. So basically, I look for the long term, because Just like Warren Buffett invested when he was 10 years old and didn't become wealthy until he was in middle age. Just like Bezos, who was the CEO, but still is, the CEO of Amazon, and he's the world's richest man. Now, in the beginning, when he first started Amazon, remember, he years went by and he did not make profit until years after. So for those individuals who think they can get into the market and become wealthy overnight, remember, these are trying times. And during trying times, many people do things that they don't think about. They just rush into some because they want to get quick money quickly. They want to become wealthy quick. And this is where people take advantage of those individuals who try to make money quick. It's soon departed. There's some truth to that, because during trying times, people are trying to do things that help them get out of the situation that they're in. So basically, they're looking for ways to make money quick, and people are looking for those type of people who want to make money quick. So it goes hand. Basically, when you try to day trade, and it's not so much day trading, I think what it is people, I've been saying this over time throughout my videos, where you have people who are trying to get other people to buy certain stocks. And I was talking about that a few videos ago, where everyone is trying to get the same stocks. And I was like wondering to myself, why people are keep telling, even when I watch CNBC and all these YouTube channels where they keep saying the same stocks over and over and over again. And I was wondering, why are they doing this? Now it makes sense after a few days ago, after my friend was talking to me. Now I've seen all these YouTube channels and all these networks talking about individuals who day trade, where they try to talk up a certain stock even though majority stocks are bankrupt. They're trying to talk them up so people can put their money into it and cause it to go up, and then the person who tells them to buy it sells, and everyone else is left with the bag. So now it makes sense why a friend of mine were trying to convince me into day trading. Now it makes sense. And it's funny because he mentioned all the stocks that these commentators are talking about now. And now I know the connection. Now I guess it's some CEO, was Dory or something like that. This guy of, I think some sports website. What is it called? The Barstool, Sports School, whatever it is. But basically, he's telling people to buy these certain stocks. Well, I'm going to tell you like this. As long as I've been investing, I noticed one thing I don't do, and that is follow the crowd. No matter what they say, I don't follow them. I do my research first and find out about companies that have enough money in their portfolio. Make sure that they're not bankrupt, and make sure they have a dividend, because that's where I mostly invest in dividend stocks. So I want to make sure that they pay me for investing in their companies. So me, I'm going to continue dividend investing, but my question is for you. Are you going to continue individual investing, dividend investing, or do you want to go into this new craze where they're day trading and buying stocks that are facing bankruptcy, are pretty much bankrupt? You tell me. Put a comment at the bottom. All right, so make sure, if you're not a subscriber, to become a subscriber. If you're already a subscriber, continue watching. Share with a family member, a friend. Make sure you hit that bell. And until next time, have a great day.